what we now have is this new button here. And as you can see, it shows you now if the file system or the network access is blocked. So we restrict with this new feature the file system access to the current directory where the agent is running. So it technically has no ability to use any bash tools or anything else or run a script that would access something outside of the current directory. And additionally, we give you the option to block also network access. So there's one exception that is your own MCP tools for which you're currently responsible yourself. But other than that, all native Kilo tools and everything else will not be able to bypass this and access the network. And what's cool is you can now safely press the auto approve button and do everything what you want. So a quick demo of this would be, you might want to have, let's say you have two sandboxes here. So I have one session here running here in the first sandbox and a second one here running in this sandbox. And I ask the agent to go to the other sandbox here. That's the URL of the path of the work tree of the other agent, and asked it to create a hello world file in that directory. And as you can see, the file system is actually not allowing this. So the sandbox is completely denying this, and the agent cannot possibly then create this.